This is a 2000 Kawasaki ZX6. So I built this thing over 12 years ago. Okay, here we go. This guy should fire. Key on, ignition on, and this is a 2000 Kawasaki ZX6, and picked it up for about 500 bucks. Thought that the motor was decent, but it's probably gonna need a rebuild. But it's all here, you know. It's all here, and well, we'll just show you. This guy, move him over. Ta-da! So I built this thing over 12 years ago. After building the chopper, I wanted to do the opposite. Instead of stretching out the front, I wanted something to build stretch out the back. Again, started with a 2000 ZX6. Okay, see the trend here, and just started hacking away. Great. So the only thing left is the ZX6 front end, rear wheel, and then the engine itself. But man, you look at things over a decade later, and like, I have no idea what the hell I was thinking. But the thing is, you know, Jersey, flat, straight, this thing was going to be totally fine there. I never continued with the build, because I don't really have a place to ride this here. So, the thing I know is that the engine is good, engine runs, you know, funny thing, everything missing off that bike I have. Right, obviously it doesn't have a key, but somehow I kept the key to my bike. It doesn't have the speedometer, but somehow I kept that too. So between this bike and the other bike, I have pretty much everything I need to build one complete bike. So that's what we're going to do here, rip the engine out of this thing. Honestly, I'm going to hack this thing up, because it takes up a lot of, obviously, takes up a lot of room that I don't have. So that's where we are now. Let's get to it. Ta-da! Cool. A2. Ouch. What? Alright, so today's goal is to get the engine out of this guy so we can get the other engine in and hopefully get this thing running soon. Today, tomorrow. That'd be nice. Again, not what I normally do, so there's lots of gadgets and gewgaws I gotta remove first and remember where they go. That's why I pulled that engine out first, because I wasn't sure I'd remember. Good thing I'm filming, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ta-da! Ooh, back on my knee. Yeah, it's all good.
Day 4.
Alright, so figured no one wanted to see me pull the engine and put it back out again. But old, new, old engine in. Got it all hooked up. Alright, so I got the fuel pump. Had to bypass the actual switch because for whatever reason everything else here gets electricity except the fuel pump. So I gotta figure that out later. Anyway, got that set up. So the fuel pump comes up to my auxiliary tank. And gas on. And let's make sure the fuel pump's pumping. And it's not. Hold on one second. There we go. Also able to get the speedometer set up. So key on. Right. That all works. So this guy should fire. Key on. Ignition on. And oh boy, come on, better than that. Yay, us. I did it. Why is the fuel pump pumping so hard? Okay, that's good. That's good too. One more time. Woohoo! I did it. Cool. Oh, key off. Remember to keep the key off. Sweet. Cool. So next up, make it rideable. Didn't notice when I bought it, but the foot peg and the shifter is missing. Good thing I have one of those. Put the fairings back on. Guess I'll hook up the lights at some point too, make sure they work. And yeah, I think we're pretty much there. Hopefully get to ride this thing soon. Oh right, and then oh wait, so the front brake is missing the reservoir, so I gotta get a new one of these, which again, I think I have one of those. Hook up the clutch, which does work, which is good. And then get the actual gas tank. I gotta make sure that I think it's okay. We'll have to flush that out and see. But yeah, not too far from riding now. Take it easy.